Today on Judge Porter.
Over the course of our relationship, I discovered that he continuously cheated on me. He won't let me back into my apartment.
It's my turn.
He's disgusting,
Your Honor, I am a friendly person.
All right, and the $3,000 to the OnlyFans account, that wasn't you?
Absolutely not.
Okay, he told me that's because he's an athlete. That's not from
multiple sports, Your Honor. Multiple sports.
He is a liar. To talk to him, I just want to get back
okay,
into my
Then why do you call me 15 times a day and text me? I can block you on
Mr. Evans! Good morning, everyone. Please have a seat.
Good morning.
Let's see here. This is court case number 2517, Alyssa Rodriguez versus John Evans. Ms. Rodriguez, Mr. Evans, please come to the podium. Are you okay, sir?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor. Day by day, but we're doing okay today.
Before we start, can you come up here so I can see what's going on here? Is this related to anything involving this case? Your injury?
No, I'm an athlete. Sorry.
You're an athlete. That's how you. Oh, okay. All right. Ms. Rodriguez shows here that you're the plaintiff. Mr. Evans, you show as a defendant. Ms. Rodriguez, it shows here that that you're suing for $1,500 in reference to a rental deposit and trying to get some other items back as well as some pets. Am I reading this correctly?
Yes, Your Honor, you are.
Do you mind telling me what happened?
Yes. I previously was involved with the defendant here, Mr. Evans. And over the course of our relationship, I discovered that he continuously cheated on me. I submitted some evidence to the court as well, some screenshots of his conversations with countless women. I also screenshotted some evidence that he paid $3,000 to an OnlyFans. And I basically terminated our relationship. I found him, I followed him, discovered him, and I just want to get my stuff back. I want the $15,000 on the apartment that we both rented. I want our pets back. I took care of them mostly myself because he was out doing whatever.
Okay.
And I would like just access to all my things. He basically put a restraining order on me and is not allowing me back into our apartment.
Okay. All right. Wow. Mr. Evans, do you have anything that you would like to add in your defense, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Good afternoon. How are you today? So, sir, the only truthful thing that was said in that whole statement was that she followed me. She won't leave me alone. She's crazy.
He won't let me back into my apartment.
It's my turn.
Ma'am, allow him to finish. I allowed you to speak.
I apologize.
You see what I'm dealing with here, Your Honor?
Okay.
First and foremost,
he is a liar, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, this is the last time I'm going to tell you, do not interrupt. I will hold you in contempt of court. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Evans, please continue.
Sir, finances were not evenly split. The fact that she's bringing it up is actually comical. I've paid for absolutely everything. My credit card is the one that is swiped on every single bill that is paid in the house, including her Uber account.
Okay, let me ask you this. Are you guys married or were married?
No, we are not, thank God.
Okay, so you're just a boyfriend-girlfriend situation?
Yes.
And you guys were just living together?
Unfortunately.
We were.
Okay, I'm looking at this evidence here about the infidelity, and I can't say what I'm reading here, but it's pretty explicit.
He's disgusting,
Your Honor, I am a friendly person. I make friends, all right? That's it. You're allowed to have friendships.
Yes, you are, but this
Am I wrong? Life is too short to be spent alone.
This is a little bit more than friendly from what I'm reading. These text messages, this isn't you because this isn't you.
It's fake phone.
Fake phone.
Yep.
Okay.
Can't be me.
All right, and the $3,000 to the OnlyFans account, that wasn't you?
Absolutely not. Maybe
Because
$3,000 to the Uber account for her rides that I'm paying for, or the grocery bill, or every time we go out to dinner that I have to pay for, all the gifts I've given her.
Okay, all right, I got that. What's this about the dog and the cat? Okay, when you guys started your relationship, were these pets already in the relationship,
Okay,
or
listen,
did you guys
Your
get
Honor,
that
she
together?
can have the cat. The cat is hers. Norman is mine. That dog does not leave my side. He is my dog.
Okay, let me ask you about Norman.
Your Honor, Norman's my spirit animal. He's been with me since day one, I feel.
Did you have Norman prior to this relationship?
Well, no.
Okay, so how did
got it.
Norman end up in this relationship?
She wanted a dog.
Okay, she wanted the dog.
Yeah, she wanted him. I paid for him, and he likes me way more than her.
Okay, so you didn't want the dog originally?
I'm sorry?
You didn't want the dog originally. It was her idea.
Well, we both wanted it.
Okay, all right.
If I may, Your Honor,
Yes.
may I speak?
Yes.
I took full responsibility for all those pets, for Juju the cat and Norman the dog.
Okay.
I fed them. I bought all the pet food for them. I walked them. He would just sit on the couch and watch
true.
TV.
Not the
He
case.
does not
Inaccurate.
care about those
Fake news.
animals. This is why I want the animals.
Mr. Evans, the same rule applies to you. You will not speak when she's speaking. If you continue to do so, I will hold you in contempt. Am I making myself clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please continue.
I just want the $1,500 for the deposit. I want the cats, and I want access to all my property that is still in the apartment. I don't even want to talk to him. I just want to get back.
Okay,
to my
Then why do you
I'm-
call me 15 times a day and text me if I can block you on
Mr.
5
Evans.
different... She's crazy.
Mr. Evans, do you want to go to county jail?
No, I don't. Not
Then
at all.
please hold yourself accountable. Please. Let me ask this question. I'm looking at a picture that you gave the court about it appears that he's holding his knee. Why did you send us that?
This is an injury that he sustained.
Okay, he told me that that's because he's an athlete. That's not from.
That is,
Play
that is
multiple
false.
sports, Your Honor.
He
Multiple
is
sports.
a liar, Your
Sir,
Honor.
can you come up? Let me see that injury. Let me see what you come
You
up,
want
sir.
me to-
Yeah, please come up the best way you can. I just want to get a
Crutches
better
or no
crutches. The best way you can, sir. Let me see what this looks like. And what were you playing that caused this injury?
Ultimate Frisbee, sir.
Ultimate Frisbee?
Yeah, it's a fun game.
Okay, I'm familiar with the
It's like
Frisbee competition.
It's like Frisbee and golf.
It's like Frisbee, golf, and football, correct? Something like that, give or take?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, and-
all right. You can go back to the podium. I just wanted to see it with my own two
Yeah,
eyes.
of course.
And you're saying that from the Frisbee, not from the picture, because she took a picture you injured. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, that was after the Frisbee match, sir.
Ma'am, how did he get injured according to your account?
Your Honor, after I saw the $3,000 charge on the account for
Mm-hmm.
OnlyFans, I
not the
decided
case.
to follow him, and I discovered that he was meeting another woman, and once he saw that I discovered him, he jumped out the window
Jumped out the
what?
window
That
of
doesn't
the
even make
apartment?
of the woman's apartment to get away,
Oh, wow.
so that I wouldn't go up there and make a show or whatever he thought I was going to do, but I wasn't going to do anything. I just wanted proof that he was
You're
cheating
a
on
liar?
me.
Mr. Evans, let me ask you. It says here and I've heard you say you pay for everything, and I see here that you're filing a counter saying that you want the money back over the past 6 months of your relationship because you paid for everything. Here's my question, sir. I know that you filed a restraining order.
Correct.
She confirmed that. Why won't you let her get her stuff?
Listen, Your Honor, if I'm being honest, I'm scared for my life. She's terrifying.
Okay.
When I ended things, because listen, all relationships come to an end. There's 8 billion people in the world. Not everyone's meant to be together, right?
This is true.
There's no need. There's no reason it can't end peacefully.
Okay.
Right? And I tried.
Okay.
I tried so hard to end
Did
it
you
peacefully.
try calling the
Your Honor,
police when she
told
showed up
me
to get her
when
stuff?
I broke up with her, she said, "If I can't have you, no one can."
Okay,
you know how scary that is?
Not
and
true.
sir, you filed a restraining order, and I'm gonna.
Well, the next morning, when I woke up to go to the shower, the toaster oven was plugged in right next to the shower. It's never
Okay.
been there
Not.
before.
All right, sir.
I'm scared for my life,
have you
sir.
called the police about any of these incidents?
Well, no, I probably should have. Yeah. Well, next time I will. 'cause
Okay.
She shows up every day.
What I don't see here is I don't see an eviction notice,
Well,
which means that you put her out, and you didn't have the legal authority to do so.
well,
She still had the right to live there. Well, hold on, give me a second. I'm looking at this restraining order. This is a temporary order, sir. This is expired.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Nah,
This is expired. So you have an expired order. You put her out without an eviction notice, and you're refusing to give her property. So she has
it's
right.
not her property. It's mine. I paid for it.
You paid for what?
Everything.
The dresses? I'm sure she wears dresses. Underwear?
The majority of her underwear, yeah.
Vintage clothing?
Wait a minute.
You
wear
mean old and gross?
I'm sorry, sir. You wear her underwear? Did I hear that correctly?
No, I do not wear her underwear.
So why are you keeping them, sir?
I'm not keeping her underwear.
You just said that you paid for them.
I paid for them, but I'm not keeping them. She has those.
So you gave it to her? The clothes you gave to her?
Well,
the
I bought
underwear you
them.
gave to her?
I'm not going to wear them.
Okay, sir. Anything that you've given to her belongs to her.
And she has them.
No, she does not. She's saying that there's stuff inside the home that she wants to retrieve. Let me ask you a question. The $1,500, did you pay the rental deposit by yourself, or was this part of, or you paid half, he paid half?
Your Honor, this was the first and the last bill that we split. All right, so I paid $1,500 and she paid $1,500, and then I just continued to pay everything.
That is not true, Your Honor. We evenly split everything.
Not the case.
We evenly split everything.
Okay, all right. Oh boy. I've made my decision. I've made my decision. I'm ruling in favor of Ms. Rodriguez, the plaintiff, in the amount of the $1,500. She no longer resides at that residence, so the $1,500 will go back to her. Now, as far as these pets go, this is real simple. You will get Juju the cat. Sir, are you listening?
Yes, yes.
I mean, do you have something better else to do right now? Rather than pay attention to what's going on in this court?
Scared to answer.
Because if that's the case, I could make a different ruling.
No.
Okay. Now, in reference to Norman, your spirit animal,
Why is that funny?
you can keep Norman.
He's a
Okay?
beautiful German Shepherd.
Now, in reference to the property that's inside the apartment, ma'am, I'm going to recommend to you that you get in contact with the Mango Park Police Department, have them escort you to that residence, and retrieve what belongs to you. Okay? If there becomes a discrepancy of what is owned in reference to items like a television, a radio, any type of electronics, computers, anything like that, okay? You guys are going to have to produce receipts, come back to court, and we'll have another hearing about that. Those items will stay if it becomes a problem, okay? But the things that belong, jewelry, underwear, clothing, makeup, I'm pretty sure you don't wear makeup, lipstick, ladies' underwear, do you? That's not your thing?
It's not.
Okay. You will retrieve those things with the Mango, I'm sorry, what?
Nothing.
You retrieve those things with the help of the Mango Park Police Department, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, I'm gonna recommend after all those things are done, you file another restraining order against her once she retrieves her property if you are still concerned for your safety.
I very much am.
Now, ma'am, as far as his infidelities, this court can't do anything about that. We can't make him a better man as far as being faithful and honest. I'm sorry, that's not what the court does.
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay, so my ruling is complete and this court is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.